If you have tiny white pimples on your face and you're looking for that routine that will help get rid of tiny white pimples, this routine is for you. So this is what my face looks like. If I try to skip this routine for a week or two, I always get lots of tiny white pimples. So this routine is what has helped me over the years to get rid of those tiny white pimples. It's almost like doing facials at home. So in this routine, you'll be needing an exfoliating gloves. This is the star of the show and I just recently got this one comes in pair and it has like a suction thing that you can just stick to your bedroom wall just to hang it and keep it in place. I love exfoliating gloves because they give you controlled exfoliation. You decide how gentle or how firm you want to be. They are reusable, affordable, and they work really well when paired with a gentle cleanser. Before I continue, here is a quick reminder. Please, exfoliating gloves are not for everyday use because over exfoliating can damage your skin barrier. So these are the skincare products I'll be using after exfoliating. So the first thing I do is to wash my gloves thoroughly with vinegar water, which I'll be doing off camera. Next is to wet my face just for it to be done. Please don't ever exfoliate your skin when it's dry. It can cause severe irritation. Next is to go in with my hydrating gentle cleanser from Face Fact. I love to use this cleanser because it's gentle on the skin, it's non-stripping, so even while I'm exfoliating my face, I'm also trying to maintain moisture because I don't want my face to get so dry. So I went on to apply a small amount directly on my exfoliating gloves and I'm lathering it just to make it full. Now I'm gently exfoliating my face using light circular motion. When it comes to my T-zone area, I like to spend more time there because that is where I produce lots of tiny pimples and I produce more oils around my T-zone area. I'm not pressing hard at all. I just allow the gloves to do the work. This step takes about 30 to 60 seconds max. If your skin starts to stink or feel uncomfortable, that is your sign to stop. Once I'm done exfoliating, I go on to rinse my face thoroughly with water to remove any leftover cleanser and dead skin. At this point, my skin already feels smoother, softer, and more refreshed. Next step is to go in with my Face Fact Soothing Facial Toner. I just recently got this toner and I'm loving it. This toner helps to calm my skin, rebalance my skin's pH, and it also prepares my skin for the next step. Using a soothing toner is very important after exfoliating your skin because it will help to reduce potential irritation. So after applying my toner, I'm just going to allow it to air dry and sink into my skin properly. At this point, it was as if something has been lifted off my skin. Next, I'll be going in with my Stellane Ceramide Serum. I had to apply it this way because it's almost finished in the bottle. Let me give you a pro tip. When you finish exfoliating your skin, always make sure to focus on hydration, moisturization, and also repairing your skin. Now that is the work of ceramides. They are amazing because they help repair and strengthen your skin barrier. So when I go in with my ceramides, I always make sure to apply generous amounts of it. And ceramides can come in form of toners, it can come in form of cleansers, or even as a serum just like I'm using. Can you see the glow? Can you see the glow? On check. At this point, I was already feeling myself, so I'm just going to let this go in. Next is to go in with my simple replenishing rich moisturizer. This moisturizer helps to lock in all the hydration and helps keep my skin soft and nourished. After exfoliating, your skin needs moisture more than ever, so don't ever skip this step and make sure to use a very good repairing moisturizer. We are not focusing on brightening your skin or focusing on lightening your skin. The main focus and goal here is moisture, repair, and also a smoother skin. So I went on to apply a generous amount of this moisturizer just to give me enough moisture and also helps to lock in everything that I've applied on my skin. Can you see how soft my skin feels from your screen? Can you see that shiny little glow? Come on now, who doesn't love a pretty skin? Who doesn't love a refreshed glowing skin? Of course, I'll be finishing with my Skin Aqua sunscreen, but the truth is this routine is best to do it at night. It's not a morning skincare routine. Just for the purpose of this video, I did it in the morning because I needed a good natural light for my videos. So that is why I use sunscreen, because I'll be stepping out of my house and I needed to protect my skin from the sun because my skin was already sensitive because of exfoliation. But if you are doing this routine at night, please don't use your sunscreen. There is no need to use your sunscreen. Notice how I apply sunscreen on my lips, because I actually exfoliated my lips as well. I don't know if I showed it, but I exfoliated my lips, so I just needed to apply sunscreen at every part of my face just to protect my skin, and I also work it down to my neck as well just to protect my skin. Please, for this sunscreen, I try to avoid my eye area because sometimes it stings my eye and I don't want to feel uncomfortable. So this is how I've applied my sunscreen. I'm just going to let it sink into my skin. I'm not working it into my skin. This is the best way to apply your sunscreen. So you just have to go ahead and apply it generously on your skin and, you know, move around, do other things, and before you know it, in less than 5 minutes, it's all soaked into your skin. So you see, it's gently melting into my skin really nicely. Even without touching my face, it's melting into my skin. This is the best of the best way to apply your sunscreen to get the best of it. Like, if you want your sunscreen to really work for you, this is the best way to apply your sunscreen. You cannot do this routine in the morning and you don't apply your sunscreen. Trust me, your skin will burn. You know why? Because exfoliating makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. So sunscreen is non-negotiable if you are doing this as a morning routine. And when I mean applying your sunscreen, that is even if you are staying indoors. This step helps protect your skin and prevent dark spots. So you see how my sunscreen has melted into my skin really nicely without doing anything on my skin, touching my face. That is what you want from your sunscreen. That is what you want to achieve. Now this step is optional, but I just needed to, you know, pop my lips a little, so I went on to apply my lip gloss, and that is it, you guys. I was looking so refreshed. I was feeling myself. So that is basically how I exfoliate my face using exfoliating gloss. If you know you have sensitive skin and you still battle with tiny white pimples, please, this routine is not for you. And also make sure not to overdo it. I usually do this routine twice in a week, and make sure to always follow up with hydrating products. Now over to you. Have you tried this routine before? What was your experience? Share in the comments, and do it to like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.